What if I told you the same language that powers video games, browsers, and even space technology is something you can learn today? Well, that's C++. And in this video, we will crack its basics together. Welcome back to CodeChef. Hope you are having fun learning coding with us. In today's video, we are going to discuss three topics. First, keywords in C++. Second, identifiers in C++. And third, escape sequences in C++. So let's see how this powerful language really works.
Keywords in C++. What are keywords? So keywords in C++ are special words that the compiler already understands. Let's discuss an important rule about using keywords. So you can't use them as names for your variables, functions or classes. Also, C++ is case sensitive, which means writing keywords with the wrong capitalization will lead to compilation errors. Now why they are so important? What's the purpose? The purpose is that they tell the computer exactly what to do or which action to perform. Now let us discuss some examples of keywords. First one is int. Int is used to declare an integer variable. Then float. It declares a decimal value. If else, they are used to make decisions. Last but not the least, for while. They are used to create loops. Now the next topic is identifiers in C++. So what are they? Identifiers are names that we create to represent variables, functions, classes or other user-defined items in C++. So identifiers are exactly opposite to keywords because keywords are predefined while the identifiers are created by us. Now let's discuss some important rules to use identifiers. First one is that identifiers cannot be keywords. Then they must start with a letter or underscore, and they can include letters, digits and underscores. Now the purpose of using identifiers is that they let you label and refer to things in your program so the computer knows what you mean. Now examples of identifiers. The first example is int age. So here int is a keyword because it is declaring a data type. Then age. This is an identifier because it is a name that we are giving to a variable. Next, float salary. So here float is a data type, so it is a keyword, but salary, it is again an identifier because it is a name given to a variable by us. Then void print data. So here print data is an identifier because it is a name given to a function by us. Lastly, class student. So here student is an identifier because it is a name given to a class by us. Escape sequences in C++. Now what are these? So escape sequences are special character combinations that begin with a backslash. They are used to print characters that can't be typed or shown easily in normal text, like new lines, tabs or quotes. Here we have an example for your reference. Now let us discuss how do we use escape sequences with the help of some examples. So here we have the list of escape sequences, their meanings or their purpose, and an example to understand how do they work. So first one is /n. It moves the cursor to a new line. For example, in double inverted commas, if we write hello /n world, then it will print hello and world in two different lines. So in first line you will see hello and in the next line you will see world printed. Then /t. So it adds a horizontal tab space between the words where you insert /t. For example, in double inverted commas, hello/t world. So this will add a horizontal tab space between hello and world. Next, slash slash, it prints a backslash, single backslash. For example, double inverted comma C colon slash slash program files. So this will print C colon slash program files. Then slash and a double quote. So this will simply print double quotes. For example, in double inverted comma, he said, comma, slash, quotes, then high exclamation mark, slash, quotes and the outer double inverted comma closed. So what will be the output? It will print he said, comma, in double inverted comma, high exclamation mark and double inverted comma closed. That's it. So the outer double inverted commas plus these slashes will be removed in the output. Last, slash and then single quote. So it will print a single quote in output. Example, in double inverted commas, it slash single quote s and fun, double inverted comma closed. So it will print it's fun. This backslash will be removed and it will be it apostrophe s, it's fun. Okay, now let's understand the use of escape sequences with the help of a code in the CodeChef platform. Here we have a program whose objective is to display a table with tab spaces, for which we are going to use escape sequences. So this is the required output, this table. As you can see, it has 3 columns, one for the list of names, second for the list of respective person's age and city. Now what are we going to do? We are going to use /t to insert horizontal space between words, and we are going to use endl to insert that cursor into a new line. So let's come to the code section. Hash include IOStream using namespace std, then main. So here the main function begins. Inside this we have cout insertion operator. In double inverted commas we have written name /t, age /t, city, and then double inverted commas close. So what will it do? It will print name with horizontal space between name and age, then it will print age and then again horizontal space and then it will type city. Then insertion operator endl. So what will this endl do? It will move the cursor to a new line for the next set of entries. Now cout. In double inverted commas lx, then /t for horizontal space between lx and 25. Then /t for horizontal space between 25 and London and double inverted commas close. And again endl to get the cursor into a new line. Now similarly we are going to print Bobby and then space 30 space New York and then again cursor shifted to a new line. Now comes the last entry of the table, cout, then in double inverted commas Charles, then again horizontal space 35, horizontal space Sydney and endl for new line. Okay, now let me click submit to run this code and see what's the output. Okay, so as you can see we have got exactly same table in the output as we got in the program objective. So because we are using /t, it has got horizontal space between all the characters which are there in a row, and because of endl all the entries are inserted in a new line.
So this is all for today. I hope now you have a clear understanding of how keywords, identifiers and escape sequences work in C++. Don't forget to go to the CodeChef platform and practice these concepts yourself. Thank you so much for watching.